We will do Mangalacharanam. Om Sahanavavatu Sahano Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu ma vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा. नमो नमः. Yesterday we have seen lot lakara prayoga, so we'll practice a little bit, then we will move to lang lakara atmanepada. So let's take vanda dhatu and decline in lot lakar. वंद धातु आत्मनेपद लोट लकार.
Shall I?
यस.
बोलबो सर. बोधनी महोदय.
हाँ वदतु.
बंदते बंदेते बंदन्ते बंदशे बंदेथे बंदधे बंदे बंदवहे बंदमहे
वंदावहे वंदामहे.
बंदमहे.
हाँ ओके. नाउ रेणुका जी.
Same word.
हाँ, some another dhatu you can take and decline.
Shall I take kampa? Shake. To shake. So atmanepada na lot.
Atmanepada lot lakar I am asking now.
Yeah. Kampatam. Kampetam. Kampantam.
Kampantam.
Kampantam. Kampaswa. Kampetham. Kampadvam. Kampai. Kampavahai. Kampamahai.
Nice. Some another dhatu now. Yuddha dhatu.
युद्धताम युद्धेताम युद्धन्ताम युद्धस्व युद्धेथाम युद्धद्वम युद्धै युद्धावहै युद्धामहै.
Correct. म्रिय धातु. म्रियताम
म्रियेताम म्रियन्ताम म्रियस्व म्रियथाम म्रियद्वम म्रियै म्रियावहै म्रियामहै.
करेक्ट. दीप धातु लट लकार आत्मनेपद.
Which one?
दीप. दीप दीप्यते.
दीप्यते दीप्येताम
दीप्यते दीप्येते
दीप्यन्ते दीप्येसे दीप्येते दीप्यत्वे
दीप्ये
दीप्यामहे दीप्यावहे
दीप्यावहे दीप्यामहे. करेक्ट. बुध धातु लोट लकार आत्मनेपद.
बुद्धताम
बुध्यताम.
सॉरी हाँ बुध्यताम बुद्धेताम बुद्धन्ताम बुद्धस्व
बुद्ध्यस्व
बुद्ध्यस्व बुद्धेधाम बुद्ध्यध्वम बुद्धे बुद्धे बुद्ध्यावहे बुद्ध्यामहे.
करेक्ट. नाउ नेक्स्ट धातु डी डयते लट लकार.
डयोते डयेते डयन्ते डयोषे डयेथे डयोद्धे डये डयावहे डयामहे.
हाँ. पद धातु लोट लकार without referring your notes, right? हाँ. पद्यताम
पद्यताम पद्येताम
पद्यन्ताम, पद्यस्व, पद्येथाम, पद्यध्वम, पद्यै, पद्यावहै, पद्यामहै।
मन धातु, मन, मन्यते, लट लकार, आत्मनेपद।
Sir,
मुन्नते, मुन्नते, मुन्नन्ते, मुन्नशे, मुन्नथे, मुन्नद्धे, मुन्ने, मुन्नवहे, मुन्नमहे।
हाँ, कनिष्क, विद धातु, लट लकार।
okay, sir.
विद्यते,
With Latlakar, sir.
हम्म,
Vidyate. Sir, I forgot now.
ओके, विद्यते, विद्येते, विद्यन्ते,
Te.
विद्यसे,
Yase.
विद्येथे,
Te.
विद्यध्वे, विद्ये, विद्यावहे, विद्यामहे। हाँ, प्रैक्टिस इट।
Okay, ma'am. Okay, sir.
यस। क्लिश धातु, क्लिश्यताम, लोट लकार। क्लिश्यताम, क्लिश्येताम, क्लिश्यन्ताम।
इष्यन्ताम्
क्लेशस्व, क्लेशेथां, क्लेशध्वं,
हाँ, ओके।
क्लेशै,
क्लेश्यै
क्लेशावहै, क्लेशामहै।
क्लिश्यावहै, क्लिश्यामहि। शा, so yakara will be there, right? Klishyai, क्लिश्यावहै, क्लिश्यामहि, because it belongs to fourth gana. Ya vikarana we need to add. क्लिश्यताम, क्लिश्येताम, क्लिश्यन्ताम, क्लिश्यस्व, क्लिश्येथाम, क्लिश्यध्वम, क्लिश्यै, क्लिश्यावहै, क्लिश्यामहि. Yesterday we saw few verses. Let me share that again. Is it visible? That we had seen. Now this also we had finished. Nadi Shabda we had seen. Okay, so these were last shloka. This was last shloka. Annamayat, Annamayam, Athava, Chaitanyameva Chaitanyat, Yativara दूरीकर्तुं वाञ्छसि, किं ब्रूहि गच्छ गच्छेति. So you have to identify cases. First case is Annamayat. Annamayat is the word. So what would be the main word? Ramat, Vanat.
Anna.
Annamaya is the word. Annamaya. So mayat is the pratyaya vikararthe, which is made of annam. So annamaya, kashtana padartha or shariram.
Sir.
Hmm.
Panchami ekavachanam.
हाँ, पंचमी एकवचनम. So okay, annamayam is the word. Shariram, annamayam shariram. Annamayam athava chaitanyam eva chaitanyat. Chaitanyam is again napusaklinga shabda. Chaitanyat will be
Panchami.
panchami vibhakti. What will be the meaning of this word? Chaitanyat from
Means Shuddha Chaitanya, pure consciousness.
Pure consciousness. From we are going to add. In English we use from Chaitanya. Yativara, which vibhakti is this? He Yativara. Sambodhanam. Ekavachanam. He Ram. We don't use any visarga. He Kanishka. He Avinasha. So he Yativara. He Yati Sreshtha. Iti artha. Kim duri kartum vanchasi. Vanchasi. Which lakara is this? And which purusha? Madhyam
लॉट
purush.
मध्यम पुरुष एक वचन.
हाँ, लट लकार
मध्यम पुरुष एक वचन.
एकवचनम. त्वम किम दूरी कर्तुम इच्छसि. दिस इज द मीनिंग. त्वम हे शंकराचार्य, हे यतिवर, त्वम किम दूरीकर्तुं वाञ्छसि? So actually that previous question he's asking, are you different? Are you asking me to? So actually we should see that story now. Okay, this not this one, this one. Ha, one line we will see, then we will move to. एकस्मिन् दिवसे भगवान् आदिशंकराचार्यः शिष्यगणेन सह गंगास्नानार्थम् अगच्छत्. Okay. What is the meaning of this line?
One day, ekasmin divas, one day, Adi Shankaracharya and his Shishya Saha, they went for the Ganga Snan. They went to take bath in the Ganges.
Correct. So this is the story of Bhagwan Adi Shankaracharya. When he was traveling all over the India, he went to Kashi with his Shishyagana. Then what happens? There was some incident. Tada marge कोपि दरिद्रः मलिनकायः अथवा जीर्णवस्त्रधारी चाण्डालः तस्य पुरतः आगच्छत्. आगच्छत्. Which lakara is this?
Agachat.
Lang lakar.
लंग लकार प्रथम पुरुष
एक
एकवचन.
आगच्छत् आगच्छताम् आगच्छन् आगच्छः आगच्छतम् आगच्छत आगच्छम् आगच्छाव आगच्छाम. राइट. सो आ उपसर्ग पूर्वक गम धातु लंग लकार प्रथम पुरुष एक वचन. दैट्स हाउ यू हैव टू टेल द ग्रामर. तदा मार्गे. मार्गे इच which case?
सप्तमी विभक्ति.
So what would be the meaning?
Path. And on his way.
मार्ग में.
On the way, right? कः अपि कोऽपि, someone, दरिद्रः, मलिनकायः, you know, these are samasta padas. Laterly we are going to see samas prakarana swatantra. Independently we are going to see that samasa. Then we will see that. Okay, चाण्डालः तस्य. तस्य नाम कस्य पुरतः?
षष्ठी विभक्ति.
हाँ, षष्ठी विभक्ति. कस्य पुरतः आगच्छत्?
शंकराचार्य.
हाँ, शंकराचार्यस्य पुरतः आगच्छत्. कः? मलिनकायः चाण्डालः. नाम तदा किं भवति?
Sir, what is puratah?
In front of.
In front of.
Okay.
Okay. तं दृष्ट्वा, तं मलिनकायं चाण्डालं दृष्ट्वा शिष्याः तं गच्छ गच्छ अथवा अपसर इति उच्चैः अवदन्. And there were like Bhagavan Shankaracharya ji had some disciples. Those disciples said gaccha gaccha. Gaccha gaccha. Which lakar is this?
लोट लकार.
Lot lakar.
Gama.
मध्यम पुरुष एक वचन.
हाँ, मध्यम पुरुष एक वचन. सो गम धातु गम गच्छति, राइट. सो गम धातु भ्वादिगण प्रथम पुरुष न मध्यम पुरुष एक वचनम. that's how you are going to say, right. अपसर श्रु सरति धातु अप उपसर्ग पूर्वक श्रु धातु मध्यम पुरुष एक वचनम. both have same meaning, so either you can use गच्छ गच्छ और अपसर अपसर इति उच्चैः अवदन् अवदन्.
लॉन्ग प्रथम पुरुष बहुवचन.
लंग लकार
प्रथम पुरुष बहुवचन.
बहुवचन. शिष्याः अवदन्. ओके. तदा चाण्डालः प्रत्युत्तरति. सः प्रत्युत्तरत्. किम् अवदत्? सः मनुष्यः अपृच्छत्. सः चाण्डालः पुनः अपृच्छत्. गच्छ गच्छ इति शरीरं मनसि निधाय वदसि उत आत्मानं. So that was his question. You are saying gaccha gaccha, go away. So actually you are saying that to your body, my body or my atma. If you are considering myself as body or atma, then what will happen? यदि आत्मा तु आत्मा तु परमेश्वरस्य अंशः, जीवात्मा. Here atma can be taken as जीवात्मा. जीवात्मा is the अंश of परमात्मा. अतः सर्वेषां समान एव. राइट. तथा च सर्वेषां शरीराणि पंचभूतात्मकानि सन्ति. All beings have same body which is made of पंचीकृत पंचमहाभूतैः कृतं, right? स्थूल शरीरम. तर्हि कथं तव शरीरम मम शरीरात् भिन्नम? So this is the question, right? Then this next sentence we will say, then we will see some Manisha Panchakam, right? तस्य मुखात् आगतम् इदं वेदांत वाक्यं श्रुत्वा आचार्यः तं प्राणमत्. प्राणमत्. What is this प्राणमत्?
प्रणाम करण.
प्रणाम करना. Okay.
प्र अनमत. प्र पूर्वक अनमत.
Anamat. Naman namati is dhatu. Naman namati, to bow down, right? To bow. We have seen this one. Anamat is lang lakara pratham purusha ekvachana, and we are adding pra upasarga purvak nam dhatu lang lakar pratham purusha ekavachanam. So pranamat, he bowed down. Who? Bhagwan Shankaracharya to that Chandala. Why? Because that person was not Chandala actually, he was Bhagwan Shiva Sakshat. So tasya prashnasya uttaraya Shankaracharyaih Manisha Panchakam इति स्तोत्रम रचितम अथवा अरचयत. भगवान शंकराचार्यः मनीषा पंचकम अरचयत. Interestingly, if you haven't studied this Manisha Panchakam stotra, please after the class you note down this name Manisha Panchakam and try to visit the website etc. It is available on net. In each shloka, Bhagwan Shankaracharya ji has explained one Mahavakya. Okay, laterly you can visit that. So this was the story. Now in previous slide I have put another shloka. Yes, here. Anybody knows this shloka? रे रे चातक सावधान मनसा मित्र क्षणं श्रूयताम्. अम्बोदा बहवोऽपि सन्ति गगने सर्वेऽपि नैतादृशाः. केचित् वृष्टिभिरार्द्रयन्ति वसुधां गर्जन्ति केचित् वृथा. यं यं पश्यसि तस्य तस्य पुरतो मा ब्रूहि दीनं वचः. So now very nice shloka. If we desire anything, we should ask that desire to particular person. If that person is capable to give, then only we should present our desire. We should express our desire to that person. Otherwise, there are various kinds of people. So here actually a Kavi says, O Chataka, Re Re Chataka, Chataka. Which case is this?
It is
Sambodhanam.
Sambodhana ekavachanam. He Chataka. Chatakaha Chatakahu Chatakaha. He Chataka. He Chatakahu. He Chatakaha. So Sambodhan. He Ram. He Chataka. Right? Savadhana manasa shruyatam. Shruyatam.
लोट लकार.
And
Shrudhatu.
प्रथम पुरुष
ekavachanam. Shruyatam. 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 Shruyantam. Right? That way it goes. Lot lakar. We have studied Atmanepada. So Shruyatam means what? Listen. Kshanam Shruyatam. Listen for a minute. Listen for a second. How? Very carefully. Right? And what he said? Ambodaha bahavahas api santi. There are various clouds. Where?
Ambaha.
Gagane. Right? Gagane. Ambodaha means Ambha means Udakam, water. Da means giver. Giver of water means clouds. How many? Bahavaha. Guruhu, Guru, Guravaha. Bahuhu, Bahu, Bahavaha. Okay, बहवः सन्ति कुत्र गगने.
Mahodayo, Ambudha, please explain Ambudha again.
Ambhas is the word. Ambhas means jalam, right? So when we do samasta pada, daha means giver, daha means giver, bahuvachanam will be daha. Visarga has dropped because of some sandhi rule. It should be ambo daha, means clouds. Meghaha iti artha. Okay, ambas dadati iti ambhodah, right? So ambas dadati iti ambhodaha bahuvachanam. Sarvepi naitadrishaha or naikadrishaha, both way we can say. So all clouds are not same. And what is the category in that? First category. Kechit vrishtibihi vasudham ardrayanti. Ardayantri means to make weight, right? To weight. Whom? Vasudham, Prithvim. So there are some clouds. They will be sprinkling water, or they will be showering water on Vasudha. So that Vasudha will get over. Then there are some clouds, Kechit Vritha Garjanti. They will just blabber, not blabber, they will just do garjana. Garjana in the sense?
Noise. Right.
Noise. They will just make noise. That's it. So people are like that.
Like
There are
thunder.
same people, they will just do, blah, 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 or they will just blabber. But there are some people, they will speak and they will do it. Right? Yam yam pashyasi tasya puratah ma bruhi dinam vachah. You will be saying all the clouds, all the kind of clouds, but yam yam pashyasi tasya puratah ma bruhi. If you see particular cloud, then only you should ask for water. Otherwise, don't go and don't ask anyone, everyone, I mean. Okay, so very nice. I like this, so I kept it.
So Adrayanti means showering the Adrayanti.
Or actually, gila karna, so bigona.
Acha, gila karna, ha.
Ardrayanti, to wait, right? Yes. Now let's move to next. Today we are going to see Shashtama Gana, which is known as Tudadi Gana. In Atmanepada also there are few dhatus, there are not many. So I have kept here few dhatus. So first it's Mriya Dhatu. Again Mriya Dhatu comes in Shashtama Gana. It means Mriyate. Mriyate, to die. Vindate, to gain. Dishate, to say. And if you add upadishate, it will be giving upadesha, to address, right? Munchate, sinchate. Now this sicha dhatu comes in prathama, actually in Tudadi Gana, but that was in Parasmai Pada. So actually this dhatu is Ubhayapadi dhatu. Sinchate, Ubhayapadi dhatu.
Munchati also Ubhayapadi.
Munchati, Sinchati, Yachate.
Yachati.
Okay, now we will decline this dhatu. Mriyate, lat lakar we will decline. Mriyate,
Sir.
Kanishka.
Oh, not that. Not that. Sorry, I hadn't memorized that. I was thinking of Satya.
Okay, you decline Munchati dhatu. Munchati, Munchataha.
Munchati, Munchataha, Munchanti,
Munchasi,
Munchasi, Munchataha, Munchatha, Munchami, Munchavaha, Munchamah.
Good. Now we will decline in Atmanepada, right? Munchate, Munchete, Munchante, Munchase, Munchethe,
Munchedve.
Munchadve, Munche, Munchavahe, Munchamahe. Vinda dhatu in lot lakar, Atmanepada.
Vindatam.
Vindatam.
Vindetam.
One by one.
Vindetam. Vindantam. विन्दस्व
हाँ
विन्देथां विन्दध्वं
हाँ
विन्दै विन्दावहै
हाँ
विन्दामहै
करेक्ट. दिश धातु इन लट लकार आत्मनेपद.
दिशते
दिशेते दिशन्ते दिशे स्वे दिशेथे दिशे द्वे
ओके नेक्स्ट.
दिशे दिशा दिशावहे दिशामहे
हाँ नाउ मूच धातु लोट लकार.
मुंचताम मुंचेताम मुंचन्ताम मुंचश मुंचेथाम मुंचध्वम मुंचोई मुंचबहै मुंचमहै.
सिच धातु लट लकार.
अहं वदामि महोदय।
वदतु.
सिञ्चेते सिञ्चन्ते
वैशाली जी.
सिञ्चते सिञ्चेते सिञ्चन्ते सिञ्चसे सिञ्चेथे सिञ्चद्वे सिञ्चे सिञ्चावहे सिञ्चामहे.
नाइस. याच धातु लोट लकार.
याचतां याचेतां
जाचताम जाचेताम जाचन्ताम जाचश जाचेथाम जाचद्धम जाचोई जाचबहै जाचमहै.
करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट. क्षम धातु क्षमते लट लकार.
क्षमते क्षमेते
क्षमन्ते
क्षमन्ते
क्षमस्ये
क्षमते क्षमते क्षमद्वे क्षमे
क्षमावहे क्षमामहे.
क्षमावहे
वर्त धातु लोट लकार.
वर्तेतां
वर्ततां वर्तेतां वर्तन्तां वर्तस्व वर्तेथां वर्तध्वं
वर्तै
वर्तै वर्तावहे वर्तामहे.
Correct. Now we are going to see lang lakar. So lang lakar atmanepadi pratyayas. Again there will be some different pratyayas. Ta, itam, anta, thaha, itham, dhvam, I, avahi, amahi. Before the kriya pada, before the root, you have to add a, right? Like avandata, avandetam, avandanta, avandathaha, avandetham, avandadvam, avande, avandavahi, avandamahi. Now add this. You can use these kriya padas and try to use those pratyayas. Right?
Shama.
Mru dhatu.
Shama. Shall I
Okay.
do? Shall I?
Yes.
Shama.
Akshamata.
Akshamata. Akshametam. Akshamanta. Akshametaha. Akshametham. Akshamedhvam.
Akshamadhvam.
Akshamagdhvam. Akshamede.
Akshame. Okay. Akshame.
I am saying that one day. So akshame, akshame,
Akshama.
akshamahi, akshamamahi.
Akshamawahi, akshamahi. Varta dhatu lang lakar. Avartata.
अवर्तत अवर्तेताम अवर्तन्त अवर्तथाः अवर्तेथाम अवर्तध्वम अवर्ते अवर्तावहि अवर्तामहि.
Nice. Next. Yach dhatu. Again lang lakar we will practice. Yes.
याचत याचतां
Yachata.
याचन्त याचन्त
Ayachata.
सॉरी अयाचत अयाचताम् अयाचतन्
Ayachanta.
अयाचन्त अयाचन्थाः
Ayachathaha.
अयाचन्था
Now don't see that was vanda dhatu. That's why we were adding na. But yacha dhatu there is no na, so it will be ayachathaha, ayachetham,
अयाचध्वम् अयाचे
अयाचा,
अयाचे अयाचावहि अयाचामहि.
हाँ गुड. असिंचत.
Sir,
कनिष्क. यस.
असिंच अहं वदामि वा?
वदतु, देन लेटरली ही विल.
असिंचत असिंचेताम्
असिंचत. देयर इज अ
असिंचत असिंचेताम् असिंचेन्त
असिंचन्त.
असिंचन्त आम् असिंचन्ताः असिंचेथाम् असिंचध्वम् असिंचे असिंचावहि असिंचामहि.
Now Kanishk, you can go ahead.
yes, sir.
Munchat.
Yeah, correct.
Yach, na muncha dhatu. Now we are going up. Amunchata.
Amunchata, amunchatam, amunchetam, sorry. Amunchanta, amunchantaha,
Okay. Amunchetham.
Amunchetham, amunchadhvam, amunchate,
Amunche.
amunche, amunchavahi, amunchamahi.
Good. Disha dhatu. Adishata.
अधिशत अधिशेताम् अधिशन्त अधिश्य अधिशथाः अधिशेथाम् अधिशध्वम् अधिशै अधिशावहि अधिशामहि.
Correct. Vind dhatu. Avindata.
अविन्दत अविन्देताम् अविदन्त अविन्दिताः अविन्देताम् अविन्दध्वम् अविन्दै अविन्दावहि अविन्दामहि.
Good. Mri dhatu. Last dhatu now.
अम्रियतो अम्रियेताम् अम्रियन्तो अम्रियथा अम्रियेथाम् अम्रियध्वम् अम्रिये अम्रियावहि अम्रियामहि.
Amriyavahi, amriyamahi. Now use these kriya padas and try to make simple sentences. So Rama Ravanayor yuddham abhavat, right? Tasmin yuddhe kim kim abhut, कः किं प्राप्नुवान् प्राप्तवान्, कः कस्मै उपदिशति इत्यादिकं वक्तव्यं. कः किम् अमुञ्चत, कः किम् असिञ्चत, कः किम् अयाचत, तद् वक्तव्यं. मृधातु.
मृधतु अहं वदामि. मृधतु
वदतु, वाक्यं निर्माण.
युद्धे बहु सैनिका अम्रियन्ते. म्रियन्ते.
Okay, now you have
अम्रियन्तो.
युद्धे बहवः सैनिकाः
अम्रियन्तो.
Can we say like that? महाभारतः युद्धे अनेकान् सैनिकान् सैनिकाः
अम्रियन्त. महाभारते अनेकाः योद्धारः अथवा सैनिकाः अम्रियन्त. गुड.
But like I use like that. महाभारतः युद्धे. It is okay.
महाभारतः you cannot say. You can say महाभारत युद्धे. That will be समस्त. Okay. Another sentence. Singular.
Sir, this is correct. हनुमानः लक्ष्मणं नागपाशात् अमुञ्चत्.
हनुमान शब्द इज मत प्रत्यंत रूपम हनुमत. So prathama vibhakti ekvachanam will be Hanuman.
हनुमान लक्ष्मणं नागपाशात् अमुञ्चत्.
Amunchata.
अमुञ्चत.
Good. Nice sentence.
आरक्षक को तम कारागारात् अमुञ्चति.
Amunchat.
अमुञ्चत
Lang lakar we are using, right?
Can we say like that? Mandiram samaya bhikshukau ayachatam ayachatam
अच्छा भिक्षुकौ अयाचताम कुत्र
yachatam. No, ayachatam.
अयाचेताम
Ayachatam.
भिक्षुकौ भिक्षाम अयाचेताम कुत्र मंदिरस्य समीपे मंदिरस्य पुरतः राइट कुत्रापि यत्र यत्र भिक्षुकः भवति तत्र तत्र तथा वाक्यं कर्तुं शक्यते अन्यत् विन्द टू गेन
Like a tapasyayaha ध्रुवः निश्चल padam avindata.
हाँ निश्चल पदम अथवा ध्रुव पदम अविंदत नाइस
Sir, sir, can I say a sentence about the third verb listed?
यस यस यू कैन
Raja, prajam, disha,
ओके
adisha,
राजा
raja, praja, adishanta.
ओके राजा इज सिंगुलर सो आदिशत राइट आदिशत यू कैन से
Adishant.
नाइस
Okay, sir.
आदेश करना इस अर्थ में आदिशते ऐसा क्रियापद मैंने यूज किया उसका लंग लकार किया आ उपसर्ग पूर्वक उपसर्ग पूर्वक किया नहीं तो बोलेंगे अ आता है आप आ कैसे बोल रहे हो अदिशत also can be आदिशत also can be right okay next
বৃষ্টি জলে না ধরা অসিঞ্চত
हाँ again वृष्टिः
বৃষ্টি
जलेन
জলে না একপদম বৃষ্টি জলে না একপদম
हाँ
ধরা অসিঞ্চত
हाँ धराम न वृष्टिः जलेन धराम असिंचत
ধরাম অসিঞ্চত
असिंचत right
Can is this correct? Yum vatikayam amravrukshat jalam asinchadvam.
यूयम असिंचध्वम आम करेक्ट
No, but like vatikayam amravrukshat, is this correct?
आम्र वृक्षम इट शुड बी
Amravruksham.
দ্বিতীয়া ভবতি
हाँ द्वितीया भवति करेक्ट नेक्स्ट याच धातु
रावणः सीतात् भिक्षा अयाचत
हाँ सीतायाः भिक्षाम
सीताया
अयाचत सीता षष्ठी पंचमी षष्ठी सीता राइट
या
सीतायाः
ताया
okay from Sita he asked so from we are going to use सीतायाः fifth case
सीताया
next क्षम धातु अक्षमत कह अक्षमत
शिक्षकः
हाँ
शिक्षकः शिष्येण शिष्यं गलती को क्या बोलेंगे
अपराधम
अपराधम अक्षमत
ओके गुरुः शिष्यस्य अपराधम अक्षमत राइट नेक्स्ट
अहम ताम अक्षमे
हाँ अहम कम पत्नीम वा
ताम अक्षमे
अक्षमे ओके अहम ताम काम ताम ताम अपि वक्तव्या सा अपि वक्तव्या वर्त धातु नेक्स्ट वर्त सह वने अवर्तत Okay, now please mute. There is some noise, you know. Next dhatu. Same dhatus I am putting here. So there will be sentences. You need to add ultimate form.
No, is the lung lakar or lat lakar?
Now
Means
here,
nine.
sorry, that here lung lakar we are using.
Yuddhe jatayuhu amriyat.
Ambriyata. Nice. Vinda vindati means what? Vinda vindate? To gain.
ये
Ha.
गजेन्द्रः
मुक्तिम
मुक्तिम् अविन्दत
Avindata.
अविन्दत
Adishata अथवा आदिशत.
What is the difference between adishat and adishat? Both are same if we use
Dishata to show, Adishata to address, to, you know, to order.
oh, yeah. Adishata we know like we get it,
Adish.
but what adishata
Dishat dishati
where we
means to
supposed
show.
use?
उपसर्ग पूर्वक अधिशत.
हाँ, that would be आदेश करना. दिशा धातु का अर्थ होता है दिशा दिखाना, मार्ग दिखाना, to show some path, to show actually.
गुरु शिष्य अधिशत गुरु मार्गम अधिशत.
आदिशत्
Correct. Ambujaksha ji, there is some noise from your side.
Yes sir, yes. But there is neither in my room there is no noise.
Gruham
साधु गृहम् आगच्छत्
Okay.
amunchat.
Amunchata.
अमुञ्चत
अमुञ्चत
Amunchat is also fine. Amunchata also fine because it is ubhayapadi dhatu. So if you are using parasmayapadi, then amunchat, halantra. And if you are using atmanepada, then amunchata. So that is little difference. Okay. Sincha dhatu, again ubhayapadi.
Te
ते वृक्षान् जलेन असिञ्चत
Is it?
अमुंचन्तो.
Asinchanta. Why? Because
bahuvachana.
जलेन असिञ्चन्त.
correct. Next.
Sahataute.
Whenever you
Sahataute.
correct. Te bahuvachanam. Next. Ayachata.
Kaikei varadvayam ayachata.
कैकयी अयाचत. राइट. आचार्याः अपराधान्
अक्षमत
Akshamanta.
अक्षमन्त बहुवचनम. राइट. आचार्याः. अवर्तत, ही स्टेड.
सह वने द्वादश वर्षाणि
अवर्तत
अवर्तत.
अवर्तत स्तः
Correct. Okay. Now you practice lung lakara. Now we will move to words. We are going to see some new words. Now kartru. This word ends with ru.
ऋ
Ru. So now let's see. Karta kartarau, kartarah, kartaram kartarau, kartrun, kartra kartrubhyam kartrubhi, kartre kartrubhyam kartrubhyah, kartuhu kartrubhyam kartrubhyah, kartruhu kartroho kartrunam, kartari kartroho kartrushu, he karta, sorry, he kartah, he kartarau, he kartarah. Similarly, so now this is actually trujanta form. There will be some verbs where you can add trujanta form, like hartru, haran karne wala, kartru, karne
It's
wala.
not belongs to any akarant, ikarant or ukarant, right?
It is rukarant, rukarant,
Rukarant.
rukarant form.
So is it like matru shabda or pitru shabda?
Now, pitru and matru, there will be little difference. What is the difference? Pita will be same, but pitarau, there will be short ta. Pitarau, pitaraha, mata, matarau, mataraha. So here you will find kartarau. Whenever you find trujanta form with some roots, you have to decline this way. And there are some nouns, these are also nouns, but there will be Pitru Shabda which is not made through Kriya Pada. Okay, so there is a separate list of that I will share with you later. Now let's focus on this one. Okay, karta, kartarau, kartarah, that was we had seen. Hartru, ru, harati, haran karne wala, right? If you add trijanta form ru, it becomes har and tru. Har tru means haran karne wala, churane wala. Yes, Kanishka, do you have doubt?
Yes, sir. Harta, hartarau,
Acha.
hartaraha,
हाँ,
hartaram, hartarau, hartruna,
hartrun.
Har-
Okay.
hartrun, hartra, hartrubhyam, hartrubhehi, hartrai, hartrubhyam, hartraye, hartrubhyam, hartubhyah, kartuhu, kartubhyam, kartubhyam, kartubhyah,
hartru शब्द चला रहे
कर्तृभ्यः
हैं. हाँ. Okay.
hartrubhyah, hartuhu, hartruhu,
Troho.
hartroho,
Hartrunam.
hartrunam, hartrari, hartari, hartarau,
Hartroho.
hartushu,
हे हर्तः, हे हर्तारौ, हे हर्तारः. You practice later, huh? You can take a screenshot. This is big now. Big slide. And we have only 10 minutes now. Okay, I will decline first and second case. Then third, fourth, fifth, sixth, like that we will go. Dharta, dhartarau, dhartarah, dhartaram, dhartarau, dhartrun. Shrotra, shrotra.
धर्तृभ्याम धर्तृभिः धर्तुभ्रीः
श्रोत्रे श्रोत्राभ्याम
One by
श्रोत्रभ्यः
one, one by one. Now, Shrotru Shabda, fifth and sixth case.
श्रोत्रुः श्रोतृभ्याम श्रोतृभ्यः श्रोत्रुः श्रोत्रोः श्रोतॄणाम.
हाँ. Now Saptami and Sambodhan, next word.
वक्तृत्रः
Vaktari,
वक्तरि वक्त्रोर वक्त्रोराः वक्त्रोः वक्तृणां वक्तृरि वक्त्रोः वक्तृषु.
Okay. Again, sorry, I messed up.
Okay, Saptami and Sambho. He vraktru. Sorry, he vraktro. He vaktrarah.
Okay. Next.
Vaktarah.
Savitru Shabda, first and second.
Yeah, Renuka, I'll do it. Yeah. Savitar.
One by one. Ambujakshaji, I will ask you later.
Savitar, Savitarau, Savitaraha, Savitaram, Savitarau, Savitrun.
Correct. Next, Tritiya and Chaturthi. Now Ambujakshaji, you can.
Suvitra, Suvitribhyam, Suvitribhi, Suvitre, Suvitrebhyam, Suvitribho.
Now, next, Adhyatru Shabda. Panchami and mute yourself whenever you. Panchami and Shashti. Adhyatru Shabda. Adhyetuhu. Adhyetrubhyam.
अध्येतृभ्यः अध्येतु अध्येत्रो अध्येतॄणाम.
Saptami and Sambodhan. Next, Ganta. Gantari. Gantroho. गंत्रुषु, हे गन्तः, हे
हे गन्तः।
गन्तारौ, हे गन्तारः. Next, we'll decline fast. Only one case we are going to use now. Drashta, drashtarau, drashtarah, drashtaram, drashtarau, drashtrun. Right? Twashtra, trostrubhyam, trostrubhihi, vidhatre, vidhatrubhyam, vidhatrubhyah, नेतुः, नेतृभ्यां, नेतृभ्यः, निर्मातुः, निर्मात्रोः, निर्मातॄणां, दातरि, दात्रोः, दातृषु, हे द्वेष्टः, हे द्वेष्टारौ, हे द्वेष्टारः, स्तोता, स्तोतारौ, स्तोतारः, ज्ञातारं, ज्ञातारौ, ज्ञातॄन्, भोक्त्रा, भोक्तृभ्यां, भोक्तृभिः, रक्षित्रे, रक्षितृभ्यां, रक्षितृभ्यः, नप्तुः, नप्तृभ्यां, नप्तृभ्यः, नप्तुः, नप्त्रोः, नप्तॄणां, नप्तरि, नप्त्रोः, नप्तृषु, हे नप्तः, हे नप्तारौ, हे नप्तारः.
महोदय तस्त्री शब्दस्य अर्थ किं? तस्त्री
त्वष्टा. Which one you are asking?
What is the meaning of Naptru?
meaning
Grandson.
Oh, Natu. Okay.
तस्त्री शब्द किं महोदय?
Twashtru,
Granddaughter, na?
Napta actually means grandson.
Granddaughter, Natta.
Napta. Yes.
महोदय
Twashta actually means one who does a wooden work, you know. क्या बोलते हैं उसको?
Carpenter.
Carpenter. Yes.
Which word?
Twashta.
Gashta.
Okay.
Badai.
So now,
Badai, which is a badai, yeah?
हाँ बड़ही हिंदी में बोलते हैं उसको.
Carpenter.
I will put all the words in English laterly. I didn't get time. What I was saying. So now these all words you have to memorize. In coming, you know, in Vibhakti Artha Prakarana, we will say how to use all these words in all cases. So if you memorize now, it will be helpful there, right? It's interconnected. Now what is the time? 6 minutes. Will we able to finish this? Okay, we will see one paragraph. So now here I am going to use a story of Shurpanakha. Okay, Shurpanakha story. There is a discussion about Rama was so cruel. He asked Lakshmana to cut off her nose and ears. So regarding this, I have put some reference from Ramayana and try to explain how Rama was not Rama. Okay, Shri Ramaha iva dhiman strim eva virupam akarot iti bahavaha nindanti. Means what? Rama was wise person. Then if he was wise, why he made some cruel decision to, like Srim eva virupam akarot, right? So iti vishaye ityasmin vishaye bahavaha nindakaha nindanti sajjanaha na nindanti iti artha. Okay, nindanti, we have seen ninda dhatu. It means to criticize. Ninda karna. Yes. Atra Valmikehe abhiprayam pashyamaha. Which lakara is this?
लट लकार.
Latlakar.
लट लकार
गण
बहुवचन.
परस्मै पदभूता आत्मनेपदम.
परस्मै
परस्मै पद.
Padam. Now
Bahuvachan.
here, correct. Valmikehe abhiprayam pashyama. Let's see the abhipraya of Valmiki Maharshi. Shurpanakha Ramam Drushtva Kamatura Abhavat. So this is the discussion in main Valmiki Ramayana. What happened? Shurpanakha Abhavat. Abhavat. Bhu Bhavati means what? To
be.
to become. Right? What happened? Sa Kamatura Abhavat. she got desirous, or somehow you have to translate. Ramam Društva, having seen Bhagavan Sri Rama, she got some desire. What desire? Then laterly Bhagavan Valmiki explains this line. Atra tasyaha cha ramasya cha रूप व्यत्यासम कविः नाम वाल्मीकिः प्रथमतया अस्माकं पुरतः उपस्थापयति. उपस्थापयति to present. Now he is presenting the difference between Rama and Kaikeyi. What is the difference? Ramah sumukha means he has beautiful face. And how was she?
Surpankhai.
Durmukhi Shur.
Durmukhi.
He was not that, directly he is referring. I am referring Ramayana, Valmiki Ramayana. And you will see this kind of adjectives of Shurpanakha. And Rama was Krushodaraha. Udaraha, stomach. Right? Krusha means thin. Means what? He was not like having belly, etc. He was very like having six pack, etc. In the nowadays.
Like symmetrical.
Like
symmetrical.
But if you see Shurpanakha, how she was?
Mahodari.
Maha Udari, Gunadesha, Sandhi, right? Mahodari, one who has big stomach. So Mahodari. And Rama has Vishalaksha. How she was? Virupakshi. She was Rakshasi, obviously. She will have Virupaksha Rupam. Rama was Sukesha. And how she was? She was Tamrakeshi.
But nowadays it's a fashion to make the Tamrakeshi.
Yes. Nowadays all are becoming. I'm not going to use the next word. Next.
All Western ideas.
Yes. Suswaraha. Swaraha, voice. Sushtu swaraha. Great voice, nice voice. But now ये भैरव सर पेटी के किसी भी इसमें बैठता नहीं है कि नहीं? हारमोनियम के सप्तक के बाद में जो आता है ना उसको भैरव स्वर बोला जाता है कि नहीं? इसको एक ही पर्सन गा सकता है. You know who is that? Gardhavah. भैरव स्वरा सा आसित. हाँ. इत्यादयः प्रमुखतया सह न्यायवृत्तः. He used to follow, Nyaya. But Satu Suduravrata. Durvrata, Suduravrata. Her behavior was not good. So this is the Rupa Vyatyasa. Evam Rupa Sa Ramam Samippe Swabhishtam Nyavedayat. Okay, again, Lang Lakara have been used. Sa nivedanam akarot iti artha. Your voice is actually not clear and I am not able to hear what you are saying.
Vattasham ittukte.
Rupo Vattasham. Rupa Vatyasam means different between a Rupa of Rama and form. Actually, difference between a form. Right? Yes, Rama tat. When he heard that, she wants something from Rama, then Rama, tat hasyam iti matva ahasat. He just laughed. What is she asking? Because there is a lot of difference, right? So, aprabuddham tam prathamatah Ramah svavrittantam uktva nivaraitum ayatat. He tried to escape by saying, I am married. So, don't come to me because I am married. So there are various logic I have used, means I have just put here in this text. So tomorrow again we are going to see this story. Okay? Yes. We'll continue tomorrow. This is called business. कल आप आना पड़ेगा इसके लिए, है कि नहीं? आ जाइएगा. Okay, we'll do पूर्णमदः. Om पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति. हरि ओम. श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः. हरि ओम.
श्री
हरि ओम.
गुरुभ्यो